guys, didn't hear you come in. I was just working on another laser engraver. But let me show you this one that I already built for our 470 project.
On the sides, there are 2 linear guides for our Y-axis. In the middle, there are 2 steel linear guides for our X-axis. This project consisted of 3 stepper motors, 2 for the Y-axis and 1 for the X-axis. In the middle on the carriage, there is a 2-watt laser and also a laser power control module. This project also had 3 end-stop switches, 1 for the X-axis and 2 for the Y-axis. This is the bottom of our 470 project. At the top, middle, we have a fan that is used to keep the CNC controller board and the Arduino cool. On the CNC controller board, there are 2 motor controllers which control each axis of the machine, so the X and the Y axis. At the bottom left, 12-volt power comes in and powers both the fan, the Arduino, the controller board, and the laser.
Alright, so these are 2 prints that the laser engraver's done. We've done a few more. We've got one of the United States Navy signs and then an ME470 with a smiley face because that was requested by Brother Dean. They turned out really good, exactly how we had hoped for. And yeah, that's the end of our 470 project video. Until next time.